Yazi khona into enginotisile kuMadlanga ukuthi no man, abantu abawolunye uhlanga they don't attend somehow. They become sick, they become this and that, but all the other race njengathi they attend, and some of them manje they are attending the court cases. But guys, kuyoze kube nini siyindle emnyama sihluleke ukuyikhulumela? Why are we keeping quiet about this Dutch East Indian corruption? Yabona lapho Major General Feroz Khan, u-Advocate Shamila Batoli, Advocate Andrea Johnson, Dylan Perlman, uBrian Padayachi, uSamuel Suniel Balochumi. Bonke labantu mfethu bayabaleka kwi-corruption, bayabaleka kulento eyashiwa ubaba uMkhwanazi, General Mkhwanazi last year. But bonke labantu, some of them abakwazi ukufinyelela baphumelele baye kwiMadlanga to face accountability. Kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi thina sizo enjoya bonke labantu abama criminals abawodaki, but we cannot say anything ngalaba abawohlanga, ngalama tactics abenza ngawo? Sometimes they delay the process, sometimes they push ama lawyers to say something ezowenza ukuthi iMadlanga yehla amandla. But thina siwumphakathi, we are just sitting there enjoying the show. But these people need to be called out. Why thina we can't call out izinto ezenzakalayo? Amandiya mfethu have been doing this thing for years. Emafemini, emafactory, ey'tolo, wherever la bephethe khona abantu abamnyama. But we keep quiet because sisaba ukuthi sizogcina umsebenzi wethu uzophela. What I'm gonna do? Ay, yazi bafethu, le nto ngiphethe kabi. By the way, guys, you're watching Tepen Online podcast, DOP, the #1 podcast in KZN, if not the world. Last le nto engikhuluma ngayo nje esimple, yabo. F1 chaza ukuthi photo #1 was on the panel that appointed her husband, Andrea Johnson, and was not arrested because she is Indian, ne? Photo #2 was on the panel that appointed a qualified candidate, was arrested for future crimes. Into engakayenzi. Yenzeka kanjani leyo nto bafethu ukuthi thina siyindle emnyama siboshwe icala even ungakalenzi at the highest level kwi-department government? You still have someone that's running a cartel, that's running ngingathi cult, noma that's running, I don't know what labantu laba fethu, they know what they're doing. They've been running these things, milking the government's tenders and money for years. Now that the truth has come out, but it's still okay for them to still enzela ama techniques abawenzayo. But thina, we are quiet. We are quiet. We are quiet. Why? So here's the question. Maybe the commission should move to the hospital. I said yes, in full effect, right now, immediately. Because when Ket Matala was in prison, the whole ad hoc committee makes sure they buy a Penkantolo to question the guy. But now, because a certain group of people, abangeko mnyama or engatinje by any race, bona they cannot be attended la bethi bagulela khona. How come wonke umuntu manje ufunwa iMadlanga commission, especially when he's Indian or white or colored, kumele abe umuntu ozoba nenkinga ezomehlekela empilweni yakhe, like being shot at, intensive care, high risk, yonke lezo zinto? But bonke labo Julius Mkhwanazi and the rest, like uKet Matlala, bona abathingi lutho. Kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi bona ba-attende ama-case, but this other race ingakwazi uku-attend ama-case? Instead iphusha ama-lawyer and mesiba nezinto ezenzayo like umuntu agule or someone abe assaulted, all those things. Where is our power as black people? Why are we not talking? Even white people who are watching this, even Indian people, not all every Indian, but today are like this. We like black people, not I could song and si corrupted. But the question, guys, is why imadlanga commission ingaba attend enkantolo? Ngithi mina ayiye khona mfethu eyifakile leyo drip, ewufakile leyo khonkolo, engabonakala evale amehlo efaka ukhonkolo yonke indawo kodwa uyezwa. Because bonke lamamloya abo areporta kubona back mase bebuya futhi kumadlanga. So here's some of the comment abantu abakhulume ngawo ku-Facebook, ku-Twitter. Soqala ngale yokuqala ethi summon them with a court order else arrest them and bring them to court. We demand accountability, no more bullshit. Abantu bakhathele ile nonsense yalabantu abazenza abantu abagulayo bonke abagcwele esibhedlela manje. All the Spice Girls and boys are at Mill Park Hospital. Of course, because they got money, they went to the very expensive hospital because they know ukuthi mebela laphayana akufani njengabunawe mina mase ngithi ngi-avoid inkantolo ngithi ngiya ePrince Mshiyeni. Obviously amaphoyisa azofika azongixhavuna kulowo mbhede wasePrincess Mshiyeni, bazongixhavuna nje mfethu noma ngabe ngikuphi kwezinokadabeka hospital Thembisa hospital noma ngabe ngikuphi Baragwana bazokuxhavuna, but Mill Park is the safest nest for corrupted advocates and senior police members. So athi lo munye uLouis Kokoka Koboka, is there a country that can overtake us on medical certificates on Monday for absenteeism? Icon, which is true. So, which means bonke labantu njengoba bamandiya namakhaladi and then they fill up in Mill Park Hospital. They know about this thing. Vele most of us black people abavele nje baphuza ngeSunday bahaboshisa nyama then ngakusasuzeni epapalazi umuntu akasakwazi ukubuya. Wenzani? Uyobhala i-medical notes. Imnike another 3-4 days. It's the very same tactic enzo Andre Johnson nabo Feroz Khan nabo Karim yabo. It's the very same tactic. Now they are using it at the highest level. So back to the question, guys. By the way, you're watching the Tepen Online podcast with Fly Machine, the DOP, the number one podcast in KZN, if not the world. Guys, please comment and press like. Make sure you share the video. And go back to the question still remains. Ngabe kumele yini imadlanga commission iyoba attenda bonke labantu esibhedlela. On my next video. I'm sick and tired of this nonsense. I'm done. Why is it the only race that can do these things? Other races can't do. Because if it was a black person, so guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you continue watching because there are so video as of screen. Please. Asbong. Okay, shout out to King. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye. Don't forget to watch more videos coming up in your screen. Thank you.